27 types of heavy construction equipment and their uses. Part 7. Number 19. Skid steer loaders. A skid steer is a machine that can be used for a variety of tasks, from simple home projects to large-scale land management operations. Because of their flexibility to link different attachments to accomplish practically any type of project, they are a benefit to any work site. For example, with the right attachments, you can use a skid steer loader for forestry, land clearing, landscaping and farming, road work, excavation, demolition, site cleaning. Skid steers are available in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Number 20. Telehandlers. Telehandlers are comparable to forklifts, however they are better suited for outdoor applications or moving large amounts of material within a warehouse. Different boom attachments, like as buckets or raised platforms, can be connected, making them a flexible piece of equipment to have on the job site. Telehandlers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with varied lift heights, load capacities, and frame sizes to pick from. Number 21. Towable light towers. Have you ever had to accomplish an outdoor project while racing against the sun? This common event can be avoided by using towable light towers. Light towers are made up of a series of strong lights mounted on the top of a vertical beam that is powered by a generator or solar panel. Because the tower is lightweight, you can transport it from job site to job site and never have to worry about working in the dark. This makes employees safer and enhances the amount of time you have available to work on a project. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celliarconstructionequipment.com.